you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Laura Lee of Los Angeles' NUDIE 2 palette to go over with you guys. Do you want to know what this one's about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I received my NUDIE 2 palette, and today was finally the day that I can sit down and actually try it on for you guys. Unfortunately, when I first started putting this look on, I wasn't really recording, and I didn't find that out until I was almost halfway or more than halfway done. So I don't have as much footage of me putting it on, but you get the gist of it. I mean, I tell you the steps. It's so simple. It's the same exact application that I do with my makeup like every single day. So this is the look that I came up with using this palette, and you guys, I'm super excited because it's a lot darker. I feel this is the darkest look that I have achieved from one of her palettes now because of the darker color that is inside of here. So let's go ahead and start with the palette. I did purchase 2 of the new nude lipsticks, and I wanted to show you the comparison to the other 3 nude lipsticks that I bought the first time with my NUDIE 1, the first NUDIE Patootie palette. So I wanted to show you what the difference is between the 2 palettes and the different colors. So if you're interested in that, here you go. So this is the packaging for the NUDIE 2, the number 2 palette. And it is definitely smaller. I honestly thought it was going to be the same size because the NUDIE Patootie palette is this big, large, and in charge. And then the glaze, the highlighting palette that she did are exactly the same size. So I thought it was going to be the same size, but it's not. It is definitely smaller. It's the same width, but it's not the same length. So out of the box, this is what it's going to look like. There's the back. When you open it up, there is a nice large full mirror on the top. And then here are all of the shades. And with this beautiful burgundy color over here, I was able to achieve these darker looks, where with the NUDIE Patootie, the first one, there are a few darker colors, but they're mainly like browns. Yes, I've used this a lot. I love this palette. So with that deep burgundy, I mean, they're pretty much similar. There's a lot of little similarities, but they're different. So there is the difference between the 2 palettes. If you wanted to see them kind of like a side-by-side comparison, would be right there. So this one, the first one is more of like the brown tones, where this one has a few more of like the burgundy mauvish colors in it. So I really like that now I have both options if I want to do more of like a neutral brown tone, or if I want to do more of like a neutral with the burgundies like today. I think this actually came out really pretty, you guys. Not trying to toot my own horn, but normally it's really rare for me to actually like what I've done. And I passed by the mirror and I was like, ooh, looks nice. So it's nice and dark and I like it. So let me go ahead and swatch this entire palette for you guys. Okay, so here is the entire palette swatched. Again, that is going to be like your darkest color right there. But there's that, and I'm really loving how this came out. So here is the NUDIE 2 palette, and if I were to buy one of them, I don't even know, because this one's larger, but they have like a little bit of different colors inside, to where now I'm glad that I have both. So at least I have both. I like that. Okay, you guys. Oh, and if you missed my last video, this is the glazed highlighting palette that I got. I did not put any of the highlighter on yet. Let's see. Let me do diamonds. So for the palette, where's my thing here? Okay, so I bought this in a bundle. So I purchased the NUDIE number 2 bundle, which came with the 2 new lip shades and the new palette, and it was $50. So I paid $50 for the 2 lips and the 1 palette right here. So let's go ahead and go over the lip shades. So the first one is going to be right here, and this one is called Show Off. Okay, so this has a black top where the other ones have like a light pink top. So here is this one. This is pretty. One thing, because I like the other nudie ones that I got, they were a lot lighter. So I think that's one reason why I kind of don't wear it, but look how pretty that is. Ooh, let me see which one is darker than for these two, because I'm going to try them both on, but I'd rather try the lighter color on first. This one is called Skimpy. This one's lighter. Okay, so I'll try this one on first, and then I'll put the darker color on for you guys. And then I will show you what the other, oh yeah, this is definitely lighter. And this is like really creamy, and this is like a light pink. Like a light pinkish, peachish color. Let's show you what it looks like on my lips. So it's very, very light. You can't even really see that it's on, but it just gave it a different pinkish color to my lips, I guess. Like a corally, peachish color, but it's really, really light. This one I'm probably not going to use much, but I'm really excited to get this one. So let me put that one on because I'm excited. Ooh, I love that color. And with this look, you guys, I love that color. And this one was the one that is called Show Off. So out of all of the nude, this is my favorite, which is Show Off. So here are all of the colors, hold on. So here are all of the colors of the nude lips. And that one is definitely my favorite. Ooh, I like it. That is so pretty. That is my favorite. Let me go ahead and get these on my hand so you can see them like in comparison side by side. Okay, so this right here is Nakey Nakey. This one right here is Jaybird, which it's more of like a brown, where this is more of like a burgundy, but they're similar in colors, but I still like that one. And this one is Topless. So that is all of the different colors. The first top three are the first collection that I had purchased. And then the bottom two are the new nude that came out with the two. So that is everything that I have to show about the NUDIE 2 to let you guys know. I'm super glad that I have it. I love that I can create a different colored look, since this one's more like on the browns and now I have more burgundies. So I'm super glad to have both of them. I completely thought I was recording and I wasn't recording this whole entire time. My phone just went black and I'm like, why? Because I wasn't recording. So basically, to kind of catch you up to speed. Okay, so I use this right here under my lower lid to give it a little bit of shine. And then I grabbed this color right here and put in, kind of like blend up more. And then now I'm in the process of putting in like this deeper burgundy color in there. So, sorry. But holy moly, like it couldn't have like told me or showed me before I did all of this. No. So now I'm just trying to blend out that middle color, the darker color in the middle. So I'm gonna go back in with this lighter color to kind of blend a little bit up here. So now I'm gonna take this one right here, what is that, Cheeky, and put on my lower lid. Then I'm gonna go back in with that darker color, Risque, and deepen out my corner. Let me clean it up. So comment down below, let me know, have you used anything from Laura Lee Los Angeles? Have you had your eye on either one of these two palettes? I'm so glad that now I have both of them. I'm super glad that she came out with a new one. The only thing is I kind of wish maybe it was the same size with more of a different variety of the burgundy tones, but there's that. So again, you guys, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.